The Berghoff Eurocast Professional Cookware is a dream come true for home cooks everywhere. With Berghoff Eurocast, they took it to the next level by producing some of the best high-end cookware on the market. If you are wondering which Berghoff Eurocast Professional Cookware is the best, then this article will help you make your decision. Number 1. Calphalon 10-piece Nonstick Kitchen Cookware. If you're looking for an all-round set that doesn't break the bank, read our Simply Calphalon Cookware review. Their 10-piece set contains everything that you need to get started, comes from a reputable brand, and manages not to cause damage to your wallet. You could also opt for the same 10-piece set with utensils, or even the Simply Calphalon 14-piece cookware set. However, here we'll focus on the 10-piece nonstick cookware set. The 10-piece set includes all the essentials. You get 2 Simply Calphalon pans, one 8-inch and one 10-inch. There's also a 1 QT and 2 QT covered saucepan, as well as a 3 QT covered sauté pan and the 6 QT covered stockpot. What might be disappointing is the lack of a 4-quart saucepan, but as we mentioned, this set focuses on the essentials. If you only counted 6 pieces so far, you're right. The other 4 are the tempered glass lids. It's Calphalon's signature hard anodized one. The construction will guarantee excellent conductivity, as well as even heating. The pots and pans interior surface is also double coated with what we all know to be Calphalon's reliable and sturdy nonstick coating. You will see below, in the buyer's guide, why nonstick is a great option, and many Simply Calphalon reviews agree. Number 2. Calphalon Hard Anodized Cookware Set. Here is another Calphalon 10-piece set. And it's also nonstick. Don't mistake it for the Select by Calphalon Ceramic nonstick set. It is a hard anodized one. It is again the Calphalon Hard Anodized Aluminum, which guarantees durability and ensures even heating. This Select by Calphalon 10-piece set has one goal: easy meal preparation. It is durable and suitable for everyday use. The nonstick interior isn't easily damaged and made to last. You can clean it with ease. There are comfort grip handles on the hard anodized cookware that stays cool on the stovetop. With this set, you get both an 8 and 10 fry pan, as well as a 1, 5 QT, and 2, 5 QT saucepans, a 3 QT sauté pan, and 6 QT stockpot. The saucepans, sauté pan, and stockpot all have covers, and everything totals to the 10 pieces that are advertised. As you see, this set is very similar to the best cookware set on our list. It is also similar in the fact that you can only wash it by hand, which is a bummer. One major downside to this Calphalon cookware set is the fact that you can only use it in an oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Circulon Symmetry Dishwasher Safe Nonstick Cookware. This Circulon Premier Professional Cookware set is a set that offers more than its competition in terms of quantity, and remains more or less similar in terms of quality, for a small increase in price compared to our top 3 offerings. The Circulon Pots and Pans set gives you a few more pieces. More specifically, their professional 13-piece set has everything: 1 and 3 QT covered saucepans, a 4 QT covered saucepot, a 5 QT covered sauté, an 8 QT covered stockpot, as well as 8, 5, 10 and 12 French skillets. Even though not that heavily advertised as such, this may very well be the best non-stick induction cookware set in this price range. As far as the non-stick part is concerned, there's DuPont's Autograph. This is their most advanced 3-layer non-stick, which also makes the Circulon cookware safe even if you use metal utensils. The heavy-gauge cookware will not only heat quickly, but evenly too. There's a stainless steel base, which makes sure that the Circulon Premier Professional is suitable for any stove, and yes, that includes induction stoves too. The handles are made of silicone and stainless steel, and they're double riveted for strength. Number 4. All-Clad Copper Core 5-ply Stainless Steel Cookware Set. All of the options above are more or less similarly priced and have similar things going for them. However, our next option, the All-Clad Copper Core 7-piece cookware set, is a bit different. This specific set comes with a premium price, which only gets higher if you opt for the 10- or 14-piece sets. The set contains a 10-inch fry pan, 2 QT sauté pan, 3 QT saucepan, as well as an 8 QT stockpot. The sauté pan, saucepan, and stockpot also have covers, totaling at 7 pieces for the set. Why is it so expensive? You get a 5-ply bonded construction with stainless steel, aluminum, and a thick copper core. This all results in a warp-free strength, responsiveness you can rely on, and heating. The 18/10 stainless steel offers incredible stick resistance, and is easy to maintain. It is all backed up by the All-Clad lifetime warranty. The All-Clad copper core pans are oven-safe at up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the entire copper core set is optimized for induction. That polished exterior has copper accent highlights. For a lovely design, it is dishwasher safe, too, for easier maintenance. Number 5. ZWILLING Spirit 3-ply Ceramic Nonstick Cookware. If you still want a non-stick cookware set, but wouldn't mind paying a bit more than the green pan above, you should read on for our ZWILLING cookware review. The ZWILLING Spirit Ceramic has 10 pieces, there is an 8 and a 10 ZWILLING Ceramic Fry Pan, both have no lids. You'll also find a 1 and 2 QT, ZWILLING Saucepan with lids, a 3 QT, Sauté Pan with a lid, and the last piece is a 6 QT, Dutch Oven, also with a lid. This covers all the essentials you might need for your kitchen, but not much more. Honestly, the build quality of the ZWILLING pots and pans is decent and somewhat justifies the price. You get a 3mm thick 3-ply construction, from rim to rim. The thick aluminum core of the cookware set is what gives it that quick and even heat conduction, and is what will make sure your food is well made. It is worth mentioning that the material of choice for the ZWILLING pots and the non-stick pans isn't ceramic, but stainless steel. There is a PFOA and PTFE-free ceramic coating, however, which, just like the green pan, releases no harmful fumes.